Good morning, guys. Today we are going to start the first part of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we are going to identify what is column, row, and cell, and figure out the cell reference and ranges in Excel spreadsheet. First thing to learn, cells. Cells are spaces that hold data. As if we have chairs and each chair will hold a person or student. So cell holds data. As you see, this is Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We can see the table. Each box of these is a cell. This is a cell, cell, cell. All of the boxes are cells. We can enter the data into them. Now columns. In Excel, we also have something called columns. Column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and etc. These columns, for example, column C, all of this down, 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 we call it column C. Everything under E is also called column E. All the cells under it is column E. Now let's see the box here. This cell, it is in column what? Column A. So all of that down is column A. The third thing to learn is rows. We said that columns are in alphabet A, B, C. Rows are in numbers. We have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. So all the cells here are in row 3. And here are in row 5. Now let's see that chosen cell. We said that it is in column A, right? Now it is here in what row? In row 1. Very good. So this is row 1 and the cell is in row 1. So we have this cell in column A and in row 1. This is what we call cell reference. What is cell reference? Let's see. Cell reference tells you the location of the cell. So where is the cell? To know how to make cell reference, we depend on the column name first and on the row number. So first the column name and the row number. Let's take an example. As you see the cell here, it is an intersection of a column and a row. So this cell is in column what? Column C. And in row what? Row 5. So we call this cell C5. This is the reference, C5. So we depended on the column first, then the row. We cannot say 5C. No, it's wrong. We say C5. The column first, then the row. This cell, for example, it is located in column C also, but in row what? In row 4. So this cell is C4. Now, range. What do we mean by range? Range is when we choose more than one cell at the same time. So here, as you see, the chosen or the selected area also must have like a name or reference. We call it range. First, we started from cell A1, right? And the range completes to cell what? C6. Okay, so this is the range. To write the range in a correct way, we write it this way. A1, a colon, then C6. So it starts from A1 and ends in C6. This is range. Let's take another example. As you see this range here, it starts from A1 and ends in A8. So the range is A1 colon A8. Another example. Here, the range starts from B2 and ends in E6. So the range is B2 colon E6. This is the way how we write the range. Now let's start doing activities to be sure we understand the lesson. What cell is this? It is in what? Column B, row 4. So it is B4. Very good. This cell, it is in column A and row 5. It is A5. This cell is in column C and row 2. So it is C2. Okay, thumbs up. Let's move to another activity. Row, column, or cell. In the following images, different parts of spreadsheet are highlighted. So, can you identify them? Let's see. What part is highlighted here? Is it a column, a row, or cell? Of course, it is row. Row 3. Number 2. What part is highlighted here? Column, row, or cell? It is cell. Very good. And this cell is C2. Now here, what part is highlighted? Is it column, row, or cell? As you see, it is column. Column B. Very good. Now let's move to the third activity. Name the range. In the following images, different ranges of cells are highlighted. Let's identify the ranges. Here, what is the range? So, it starts from A2 and ends in A6. Let's see the answer. Very good. It's correct. Here, the range starts from A5 and ends in C5. This range starts from A5 and ends in C7. Very good. You did a good job today. See you next time. Bye bye.